Louis Vuitton Horizon earphone. I can't believe that Louis Vuitton is scamming people. So a couple of days ago, I was online. Actually, let's go a little bit back. It's been a couple of weeks that I'm hunting new earphones since my AirPods stopped working, and I went ahead and I got different type of earphone like the Bose, the Master Audio. So I've been into this game and I've been looking at all the headphones that are out there, and there is quite a bit of option that I found, and I came across Louis Vuitton Horizon. This is Louis Vuitton's Horizon earphone, and they're spectacular. They're about $995 for a pair of headphones, and they come in 4 different colors. And of course, I would never pay $900 for a pair of headphones, especially if they are copy. Now, what am I talking about? Okay, look at this pair of AirPod that I decided to go with. This is the Master Dynamic AirPod that I recently did a video on. Link is up here, check them out. And these are absolutely fantastic. They have great audio, they have great quality, they're stereo when you talk to them, and they have 10mm drive in it. But then I looked at these earpods and quite similar. But I thought, no, this is impossible. Maybe they work with them, maybe something's going on, but no, it's just a Master Dynamic headphone that Louis Vuitton just slapped their logo on top of it, and they're charging you $600 extra for just their logo that is slapped in there. You don't believe me? This Master Audio is $299, and if you come down here in the specs and then go down to Louis Vuitton and look at their detail, sound, 10mm Beryllium drive, fantastic. Wow, 10mm Beryllium drive. Oh my god. Look at all their specs. Even their weight is the same. Everything is the same. So what you end up getting is a knockoff of Master Dynamic. And why do I say knockoff? Because Louis Vuitton doesn't do audio. This is their first time in the game, and they went ahead with the exact same shape as Master Dynamic. And if something goes out wrong with your headphone, they're not gonna be the one fixing it. They're gonna be sending it to Master Dynamic. So this is horrible. The Master Dynamic MW07, I'm not gonna lie, is a fabulous headphones, and I love these earbuds. This is truly the best earbud in 2019, and I love it. It looks cool, it looks great, and it kind of matches my glasses. And when you put it on, it doesn't look ridiculously big. And I assume that if you put the Louis Vuitton headphones on, it will look just the same. And one more other reason that I like that it matches my glasses. So keep that in mind. But the Louis Vuitton, I was so disappointed. I mean, look at this. This is just outstanding. Should you spend $995 on Louis Vuitton logo? What? Louis Vuitton, at least you're rich. You make so much money. At least pay him to change the shape a little bit. And nowhere in the site, I mean, I am getting this. Nowhere in the site, if you do a search, they mention the name Master Dynamic. Nowhere that this is a copy. This is not their original. I expected more. Louis Vuitton.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.